one on the go. Have a great flight, guys. I'll look forward to your text later. And we'll be free for